Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial will be explaining how to convert your naira to USD to dollar in your Gray account. So if you want to do that, do not forget to subscribe, like and share if this video is helpful to you. So now once you open your Gray account, you now proceed and you log into your Gray. So as you can see, I'm having a total of 7,300. So and I want to convert this right now to USD. So now, and I'll be creating a video on how to create a virtual card using Gray. So remember to subscribe, do not forget to like and share. Now, once you log on to your account, you can now click on convert. Now, once you click on convert, the first option is the naira. You now proceed and enter the amount you want to convert. So I'll be converting the whole money, 7,300, and this is the equivalent in dollar. So I will now proceed and I'll click on continue. Now once I click on continue, I will now proceed and I will now click on convert money. As you can see, the currency have been converted successfully. So I will now click on OK. So right now, when you now click on the drop down and you now navigate to USD, you can see that we have a total of $4 right now in our US account. So this is how to convert your naira to dollar on Gray. Remember to subscribe, do not forget to like and share if this tutorial is helpful to you. Thank you.